Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. And you guys know the other stuff that I do. And what Uncle Charles does is he identifies levels for us to pay attention to, trade setups for us to trade, and hopefully we do it unbiasedly. Okay? A few things that we got to talk about with the SPY. This is some big stuff, guys, okay? Breakout mode or false breakdown mode, however you look at it, the SPY is showing some bullish price action. Okay, this doesn't mean I think a bottom is in or the bear market is over and the bull market is back. No, but it is a potential that we can get a relief rally going, guys. Now here's what I mean. So the last few trading days since last Friday, since last Friday, what did Uncle Charter say? Uncle Charter said that we could be in a chop phase, okay? We had a big down move since FOMC. Okay, we could be in the chop phase. As you can see between these white lines right here, I had the range. Okay, I had a 370 to 371 zone down to the 363 level. Okay? Pay attention to those white lines. You see that? It respected that range for quite some time. We had a false breakdown. All right, we had a bunch of false breakouts off that 369 levels, but yesterday we ended the day with a false breakdown. Now this part right here, that was all pre-market, okay? But this false breakdown led to a nice up move, okay? Most of the day we were still within the range. However, look where we ended. That's the interesting part. Look where we ended. Because what matters most is where we ended. On the 15-minute chart, based on this chop range, okay, I had it up the highs at 371. It depends how you look at it because, September 26th high and September 27th high, you would think 370. We had a double top at 370, so you would want to watch 370, and it did clear 370 at the end of the day and held, okay? But I considered 371 because I gave it a zone plus last Friday. That was the high of last Friday before we had the breakdown. So it's up to you how you guys want to look at it, okay? As of right now, the big thing is, because this is just a small time frame, okay? We can count that as a breakout or not. That's up to you. I'll count it as a breakout. But the big thing is, the big news is on the bigger time frame, on the daily chart. You guys know I was talking about this multi-year trend line connecting September 2020 low, October 2020 low to the June 2022 low. We got that breakdown. And what did Uncle say? Uncle said we gotta wait. We gotta watch for the right setup. And the right setup would be for, to get calls would be a false breakdown setup. Okay? To be in favor of a relief rally at the very least. Okay? Because even though we are in a bear market, you guys seen what happened in 2022 this past few months. Okay, 9 months. We have bear market rallies and they can be violent. And they all started with false breakdowns or the recapture of a previous support level. Look what happened in intraday with this false breakdown. Perfect example. You know what I mean? These setups, the false breakdowns and the false breakouts, they are high probability. Are they 100%? No. I did try a put on a 369 false breakout. Intraday, that didn't work out well for me. I was able to, to switch sides at the end of the day, but they don't always lead to wins. They're not 100% trade, but they are high probable trades. You guys can see that, okay? And right now we got that setup, a false breakdown setup on the daily chart where we recapture this multi-year trend line. Is that guaranteed that the relief rally will continue? It's not guaranteed, of course not. No strategy is 100%. But as of right now, because I am a technical analysis, based on what the chart is showing, it is in favor of a relief rally, of more upside. We have this gap at 373.4. We have the back test of this falling wedge around 375. We got the 377 fib level and another fib level at 380. So we still got some big targets that bulls need to take out before we can, get too bullish on this. I don't know who, with the fundamentals and stuff, I don't know who would be bullish on this, but at least for the short term as a day trader, we got a false breakdown setup. So what that means, tomorrow 369 must hold on any pullback. Okay, if SPY basis or whatever, on any pullback, 369 must hold. As long as above 369, I am bull, biased, and in favor of a relief rally tomorrow. Okay? Below 369, this is a false breakout. This is a false recapture. The idea is the same, just the context a little different. But false breakouts or false recaptures, in this case scenario, is bearish. All right? So below 369 tomorrow, Uncle Charles is going to be back to being a bear. And I'll be looking for puts. But as of right now, as long as above 369, I am going to stay bull bias in the short term. Okay, we got to watch that 371 level. See if it can clear and go fill the gap. Maybe back test this falling wedge. We'll see what happens. That makes sense, guys? Above 369, bullish. Below 369, bearish. All right? Also, I haven't talked about the VIX in a while. I had this trend line on the VIX, green trend line connected May 2nd high to June 3rd and June 16th high. Okay, that's 3 touches. We got the breakout these last couple days back on September 26th. Today, look at that, broke back down, guys. False breakout. Okay, so VIX needs to get back above 30.8 to be bullish. As long as below, false breakout scenario holds. Okay, so false breakout on the VIX. False breakdown setup on the SPY to enter in tomorrow is looking bullish, guys. But like I said, below 369, I am back to being a bear. And look at this, 370, the 276 level for QQQ was recaptured. That's the 50% retracement level from December 2018 low to the November 2021 high. That's my fib level, 50% retracement level recaptured, guys. That's a false breakdown setup on QQQ, and as long as it holds, I am bullish on the QQQ. In the short term, okay, got a big target, 283.6. See if that can clear. Got this downtrend right here, down channel or whatever you want to call it. All right, that is a big level, 283.2. That's 78.6 retracement level from June low to August high. Let's see if that can be recaptured. If not, could get choppy, or we could test 276 again. And if that fails, false breakout, false recapture. Look for bearish positions to play, okay, guys? But as long as above 276, the uncle is going to stay bullish to play that false breakdown. And Tesla got that nice hammer candle. And it also recaptured some critical levels, okay? Had a critical level at 284.43. Recaptured that, all right? What is this? From May low to August high, okay? Fib levels. We tested that level, all right? That's big level, 289.23, okay? So we got to clear that level. Tesla got to clear that level to trigger more upside. If we get a strong rejection and take out support again, I got support at 286.2. If I scroll to the left a bit, yes, that's the 38.2 retracement level, all right? From November 2021 high down to May low, okay? So watch that level, because we recaptured it today, 286. So as we are above that, uncle is bullish. Just need to trigger that. Just need to clear that next resistance level, 289.2, to trigger more upside, all right? Remember, if it drops back below that level, that's a false breakout, all right? Got some nice setups here. Just pay attention. Know the levels, know the setup. Just trade it unbiasedly. Let's end this with the option flow, guys. 78% in the puts for SPY. All right, bearish as usual. Filter 500K premiums or above. We still see big money betting to the downside. They're still betting to the downside. A lot of these contracts bet to the downside. Most of the expiration date is October 21st. So they got time. They got about 3 weeks on it. They don't have to be right away. They got time on it. But I'm just saying, big money still betting to the downside, okay? That's SPY. Let's go to QQQ. QQQ. All right, nothing for QQQ. Oh, that's the dark pool. All right, let's go back to QQQ. Filter for 500. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, nothing poking out at me for QQQ. But yeah, overall bearish, not too bearish. 59% into puts. Tesla here, 65% in the puts. Nothing too big. I went to the dark pool again. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you found value in this video. Uncle Charlie's had a long day, so my finger's acting funny. But if you do want more content from me before the market opens, get my morning analysis, consider joining. being a subscriber to my Substack. Alright guys, got the link in the description below and also in the comment section. But if you want the most content from Uncle Charters, morning analysis, real time during the market analysis, after market analysis, all that good stuff, consider joining my Discord. Uncle is out. Peace.